Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today, guys, is show you how to easily create a radial blur effect within Adobe Photoshop. What I want to try and achieve is I want to make sure that this man on the bike looks like it's coming out at us, okay? And what I would like to implement is what we call the radial blur effect, okay? A really cool effect that you can implement, and you'll see the aesthetics and the vibes and the look of your designs and pieces really improve. The first thing you need to do is duplicate the layer. The keyboard shortcut for Mac users is Command J. For Windows users, that is Control J. Now, once that layer is duplicated, what I'm now going to do is make a selection of our friend. You can see here we have this new taskbar, which has the option of select subject, but you can also go select subject here also, like so. Now, what I'll need to do is apply a layer mask to that top layer once this selection has been made. I'm going to come to a layer mask option on the layers window and apply a layer mask like so. Now, with that layer mask, what I need to now do is reselect it. So it's very easy. Just come to the layer mask itself. And for Mac users, it's Command click. And for Windows users, that's Control click. Now, once you've got this selection up, we now need to expand it. So I'm going to go back to select up here. And we're going to go to modify, and I'm going to go expand, and keep it around 25 pixels. It's perfect enough for you. You can differ and change that, but 25 pixels in this instance is more than enough. And now what I need to do is go to the bottom layer here, and I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Shift Backspace to bring up our fill options. And you see here we have content aware. And now if I press OK, let that do its work. Perfect. So now if we turn off that top layer, you can see now that motorbike has gone on the bottom layer and it exists on the top layer here. Now I'm going to deselect. And to that bottom layer, I'm now going to convert into a smart object. So I'm going to go right click on that layer and convert it to a smart object. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the blur. So with that layer still highlighted, I'm now going to come to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. Keep it around an amount of 33. The best, so the blur method would be zoom, and the quality we want the best. And also as well, make sure you keep that center in the middle there, like so. You can move it and change it, but it will look better in the center. And now we're going to press OK. Sometimes it takes a couple of seconds for it to work its magic, but just bear with it because the results are pretty cool. So just make sure you bear with it. And there you can see the final result. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that radial blur in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.